Yeah, I'll just like to see in cochlear implant surgery, two important things are that we have to first see about the, as I told you, the patent cochlear aqueduct and the patent vestibular aqueduct. So these two things are important, and where the facial is. So if you see this area, that is the facial nerve, that is the facial nerve, that is the basal turn, a high jugular bulb, but from the facial to the annulus is about a beautiful uh, scala tympani, uh, uh, s- facial recess, sorry. So that is a very big facial recess. That is the facial nerve, the second genu area, and this is the annulus. So between that is a very good this thing. Now when you see the basal turn, you see a thing called the large cochlear aqueduct. It is not there because not only the high jugular bulb, but also uh, the high jugular bulb has actually kinked and blocked the cochlear aqueduct. So I don't anticipate to have a CSF gusher in this. But if you see the large vestibular aqueduct, you will see that the vestibule is quite dilated and there is a large vestibular aqueduct. Now, when you remember this, when I tell you, now there is a pulsating ear discharge coming out. It will come for about 2-3 milliliters, and that is the volume of the endolymphatic sac. It will come and then close bud. But it is important to even close this cochleostomy, because otherwise it will act like a fistula and the vertigo will keep coming. So you have to seal off this properly. Even a large vestibular aqueduct, cochlear aqueduct for the reason because otherwise the CSF would keep coming out and cause problem, but here also. Now in a cochlear implant we are anteriorly placed sigmoid sinus, though I am not bothered because even if there is a very little area of the mastoid air cell system present behind the posterior canal wall, I am happy because I just need a 1.4 millimeter area to drill that tunnel. So there is no problem if there is an anteriorly placed sigmoid sinus, but this is quite a very big mastoid air cell system, so there is no problem. Okay, so the third thing you can see is the jugular. Sometimes you can see a jugular coming very anteriorly. Now that's the internal jugular artery, which is coming very close, but sometimes it overwrites. So then you can have a problem. So these are the few things. The most important is you see for the facial recess, you see for the facial nerve, you see for the large vestibular aqueduct, and you see for the large cochlear aqueduct. Now these four things are very important, and obviously the structure of the cochlea. Now in this there is a basal turn, but as you go higher, the middle and the apical turn are fused together. And you can see a small osseous spiral lamina in between the basal turns. So this is a true Mondini. This is a true Mondini. You can see that we will need a medal compressed electrode because the size of the modulus is also small. So in the apical thing area, you will have all the electrode floating actually. So you put just a compressed electrode, which is about 12 millimeters in length. Okay, so this is what it is all about. वो स्टेराइल था. अच्छा. So we are ready now, and I'll start with first cleaning the external canal. I think Dr. Khushbu has already done it, but I'll just show you how to do it for a second. Please keep asking me questions.
Yeah.
No problem, I'll keep telling you. Okay, there we go. नहीं नहीं ठीक है. इसका final adjustment.
Any questions from the audience, please let us know, we'll ask him.
ये हाँ नहीं वो तो हो गया. फोकस ये हाँ ठीक है. और दूसरा Now first I'll mark the thing for you. So just a sec. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Now we are using a metal implant, so we have to drill the bed also, and we'll mark it like that. Now we have to take it a little back because the metal electrode, the extra electrode is a little bigger one. So you will have to keep that coil in the suprametal well and take it a little posteriorly just to avoid the extra electrode coming there. And then that is the way we give the incision. And first the transverse inner incision and then the outer one.
Sorry for a small interruption. Dr. Tilak Raj, professor in Safdarjung Hospital, has joined us. He'll be also chairing the session along with Dr. Pawan.
Just clean the canal the way we do it in stapedotomy. Wash karna beta. Suction. And now you give a horizontal incision at the junction of the bony with the cartilaginous. So here we give a horizontal incision which goes transversely like that. And then we take the blade. Blade, please. Go anteriorly so as to make the base of the flap a little lengthier. Can you see that? Is it visible? Hello?
Yes.
Cotton de dijiye. Now we will close this. Put that so that there is no bleeding. Now we'll take the top light and do the rest of the thing. बेटा इस पे आना है पीछे से इधर से अजय तुम उसको इधर कर दो वो पीछे से आएगा हाँ इस पे लाना राजे तू इधर आ तू इधर आ जा हाँ कैन यू फोकस इट
There is always a bleeder when we do the superior incision, so that can be cauterized easily with the bipolar. But there is a bleeder always.
दिख रहा है? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. डॉक्टर महेश्वरी यस यस बोलते रहना नहीं तो मुझे लगेगा मैं अकेला हूँ कर रहा हूँ
नहीं सर बिल्कुल
Yeah, blade, scissors and forceps.
Dr. Hans,
Yeah.
there's a question from Dr. Gupta.
How
common is this technique? What percentage of cases this technique is being done?
No, Rajay, I couldn't get you. What percentage?
Of cases this technique is being used.
See, there are over 70 surgeons now in India who are doing it in total, and they are doing quite a bit because they're doing ADEP cases, they're doing all other cases. So I think maybe many. It takes time. See, what happened was, I kept telling them that you should have a varia surgery and a posterior tympanotomy surgery wherever there is a conference. But somehow SIGI did not do it. Even the medal did not, ask them to do it because they were sponsoring SIGI, but they did nothing to promote this technique. So I see there is always, maybe Russia is all right, but then people are with Ukraine, so it can happen. I mean, these things happen in human this thing. So, when the Soviet Union got divided, they had said that nobody will go to NATO, and everybody signed those papers. But Ukraine now say that I want to be with NATO. So Russia had to be. So these things keep happening. So maybe one day, people would understand gradually. It takes time. I give you another example. When Professor Lempert was a big surgeon, very big surgeon, and he was doing fenestration for stapedectomy. And then Professor John J. Shea was his senior resident. And when he did the first stapedotomy, for 20 years, Lempert did not let him show that technique to anybody. But when Lempert became old and stapedotomy and stapedectomy became the thing, then Lempert called him and said, sorry, Shea, I should have not been a hurdle in your this thing. So one day when the juniors would understand, then I think you will not ask me these questions, because I have been doing this with no problem. Now that is the skin flap which I have taken down. This is the temporalis muscle flap. Now I'll tell you why I have taken like that. I'll just tell you. See, this is called the Hans flap. This one is called the Hans flap, and I'll tell you the advantage of this thing. There is a thing which I've taken up, and it is a lazy S-shaped thing. So when you bring it down, you have a beautiful exposure, as I told you. That is important. You can't have a small, I've seen people doing cochlear implant with small incisions. Now that is not the thing. The incision has to be adequate and the exposure has to be adequate at the place where it is required. If it is not required, then there is no need. Now, in my opinion, people would understand. Even even FES, you would remember. Not everybody wanted to do FES. Everybody was doing external ethmoidectomies and all those things. And now nobody does that. Laparotomies, all these things take time. It's a revolution which people have to understand with their knowledge. It is not that, whether we have to keep doing what they have told us. I know it is difficult. These techniques have also to be learnt. Right? And now we create a area, subperiosteal area for the implant bed.
Give infiltration before the incision and everything, pre-operate.
Yeah. You have to give, this was the ear canal. Yeah. You have to give a infiltration 4 centimeters, 4 inches behind and 2 inches above. बेटा वो देना मोनोपोलर दो मोनोपोलर हाँ इसको लगाओ एक मिनट हाँ वो दे दो करो there is an emissary vein here. I'll just take 1 minute to बेटा वो डायमंड ड्रिल दे दो नहीं डाल
Do you do bilateral in the same sitting? When you require bilateral cochlear implant,
yeah.
in the same sitting or after a gap?
No. And I take 2.5 hours only for bilateral.
Bilateral.
So there is hardly any time taken for bilateral.
So, cautery in the second case.
No, we
second
don't
year,
use. We don't use. वो
We
देना,
don't use.
नीचे देना
Bipolar
बेटा.
even?
No, bipolar we use.
Yeah.
दे दो बेटा. नहीं पानी नहीं बेटा. There is a little emissory vein. I'll take 1 minute.
One of the audience, Dr. Gupta, I think, is asking why not the cautery unipolar?
Because it disturbs the electronics inside. In actually this thing you can use in the other implant I have given you.
New
You
bio.
can use New Bio. Just a minute. There is an emissory vein. I'll just take a minute to.
Emissory veins are always difficult to control. They cause some problem.
करो suction करो. एक बड़े वाला देना बेटा. बड़ा. सक्शन भी बड़ा दीजिए प्लीज. नहीं चला जाएगा चला जाएगा. इसको पकड़ो. बड़ा दो बेटा बड़ा दो. हाँ 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 ठीक है. हटाओ. करो सेक्शन. बोन वैक्स है.
On wax.
चलो रुक गया. वॉश दो. तब भी बोन वैक्स निकाल लो. रुक गया बट निकाल लो. चलो ठीक है. हाँ दीजिए. इम्प्लांट दीजिए और टेम्पलेट. मार्कर. एलिवेट. ये ले लो बेटा. एलिवेट करना. ठीक है. रिट्रैक्टर बार दीजिए बड़ा. कटिंग बार. रिट्रैक्टर. मास्टर्ड रिट्रैक्टर.
So again the same as yesterday.
हाँ.
The implant and the external unit distance must be there. It should
Yeah.
not be in the same.
We
place.
have to create that.
Yeah.
Otherwise बड़ा बेटा नोज का सेक्शन.
Somebody is asking that is it not okay to use the menstrual retractor?
I use it because it gives me a very good exposure.
Yeah, so it's no problem in using
No,
the
no,
menstrual retractor.
is no problem.
One of the audience is asking, do you encounter the superficial temporal artery in this incision or not?
You can, but generally in this area, we don't go so deep. We can avoid it.
Superficial temporal artery is anteriorly to the tragus, and
Ah.
you can feel the pulsation. So we have not gone ahead. We have not gone anteriorly.
I have not gone inferiorly.
Yeah, yes, as you say, it's right. Some of the time it is having a tortuous, so it may come some of the time.
Money.
Yes. elevation of the periosteum, elevated from the periosteum, not in the soft tissue dissection.
Template दे दो.
Yeah, periosteal cut is given.
Diamond देना
Yes,
बेटा.
certainly. So you will also make just like the bony island in this
Yeah.
and expose the dura all around.
Don't expose the dura at all.
Then bony island, floating bony island will not
Yeah.
be made.
Yeah.
So how much is the age of the child?
4 years.
4 years. So bony island is to be made in the children of 1 to 2 years.
Yeah, yeah. So you have a beautiful this
Yes.
thing fixing. Now see, please understand there is no need for fixation. Diamond, please. Fixation this thing.
Yeah, lately because of the recurrent infections by the fixation with the
Yeah,
protein,
yeah. We are now trying to avoid that.
nowadays the latest trend since last 5-10 years
Pani
the
bata.
avoidance of the use of proline in this cochlear implant fixation, no need of the fixation.
Yeah, because the proline doesn't get absorbed
Yeah.
and it causes infection, so there is no need for putting
And
that.
migration is not there when you make a good bed for the
ये दूसरा है?
implant.
या ठीक है राजा. Microscope. ये छोटा कर दो section. I have told you everything in the lecture. If there is any problem, just keep asking me.
So anybody if interested to have the knowledge about the designing and anything regarding the cochlear implant of the technology of Medal, Miss Selja is there who can give your answers.
Yeah, छोटा दे दो. छोटा section, please. Now, as usual, we raise the tympanomeatal flap. Again, very easy to do it. Just have a wide-based.
Just in the staphylectomy.
Yeah, flag, please. Flag. ब्लेड प्लीज या सिजर्स दे दीजिए, माइक्रो सिजर्स. मेरे उसमें सेट में होगा, या ब्लेड दे दो, नो प्रॉब्लम. गिव मी अ ब्लेड. Circular.
There is always a fibrous band at the anterior
Yeah,
superior
yeah,
area
yeah.
where it has to be cut with the knife or the scissors.
Yeah, yeah.
Always
sure.
a fibrous band.
There is always one. If you have a micro scissor, please give me. See, this should always be cut by a proper micro scissor, because otherwise you will. No, this is not cutting. Not cutting. Iris दे दो. हाँ, हो गया. लाइए circular please. Circular. You have to be careful not to elevate the chorda, and once you are there, just go in. Flag, please.
If you would have done it with the post-auricular incision, not the endoral, in that case also you cut the canal wall to get the exposure, or you can elevate the canal wall without entering the external auditory canal.
We can do that, but sometimes if it is a thin, narrow canal, then you should not do that. In this I could have done it, and we do it when there is a good canal, but here I just wanted to show you, and that's the reason why, you know, a good exposure. There you have a compromised exposure, but no problem. De do, crocodile please. Crocodile and cotton. Now you have to straighten the canal. Yeah, you have to you put a cotton there because this dust should not go in. Straighten the posterior canal wall. This not only gives you a better exposure, but there is no chance of a cholesteatoma formation, because you know that most cholesteatomas are because of bad canal, migratory epiphysis system. Cotton de do, wo de do. Diamond de dijiye please. अलग अलग में डाल दो. डायमंड इन वन. हम नहीं लाए अपना. When you are doing this, never drill the medial part of the canal, because if you are drilling the medial part of the canal, then you are going closer to the facial nerve.
You are thinning the
bone over the. You are thinning the facial recess area. Cutting, please.
So straightening only in the lateral part.
Only in the lateral part. Cutting. I wish I had two. दो लाने चाहिए थे. Now this is the suprameatal crest. Can you see that?
Yes.
So create a suprameatal well here. You will need a bigger suprameatal well, because medal has a very long electrode. Extra electrode is very long.
The cable which is...
The cable, as you say. The array is also long, and the the electrode is also long. So you need a bigger this thing to accommodate it.
So you are not exposing the air cells or the antrum.
No.
But, yeah,
no antrum. We don't go to the antrum area. As I told you, the physiology is being maintained everywhere.
One has to be careful some of the time if the bone is thin here. One has to be careful regarding if the bone is thin there.
Which bone?
Where you are making the well. So dura level, if it is down. No problem. No. Then make a this thing like this. Dura, etc. You can always change your direction of the this thing. Overhanging margins of this, overhanging margins, so your electrode goes inside. Overhanging margins. And it can fix.
Yeah. Yeah, now, just because it comes from the center, you have to create a canal. Is it out of focus?
No, it's focus.
Yeah.
So the thickness of the metal and the nucleus is different.
Yeah.
How much is it different?
हाँ वो छोटा दे दो पहले डायमंड दे दो फिर छोटा दे दो. This is all bone marrow which has to be removed, otherwise it will keep bleeding. This is all bone marrow.
Medal. And what about the nucleus?
You need a smaller,
Nucleus is thinner.
thinner. पानी मत डालो. लो. ये क्या दे रहे हो? नहीं हो गया, हो गया. हाँ, crocodile please. Perforator. Now I'll show you what the perforator is and how we create the tunnel. Crocodile.
So the medal is 4.5 mm
हाँ.
and the nucleus is 3.9, which is the profile
Yeah, yeah.
522 series.
Yeah, yeah. बेटा एलिवेटर देना, माइक्रो एलिवेटर. छोटा सेक्शन दे दो. फ्लैग देना बेटा. फ्लैग दो. फ्लैग दो.
Overall, like the amount of space it takes under the periosteum and in the well that you're creating. So the overall space that metal takes in its class is smallest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is, you have to make a circular for the nucleus.
Yes, sir.
But 522 or the profile, it is rectangular.
I think
In the
it's
profile,
circular still.
nucleus.
Okay.
No,
And
in
for the
nucleus we are not making nowadays because of the profile series.
Profile series.
We are not making a bed at all.
Yeah.
We just keeping the just straightening the thing there,
Bone.
and that's all. Yeah,
Straightening the bone because it
yeah,
is
that's all
having
it
some
is
carb.
required.
Sir has beautifully demonstrated how the bed is very important to prevent.
Yeah, yeah, it's very important,
translational-
and you do not
Yeah.
need not have the
Mm.
थोड़ा ये आगे करिए please.
So translational
Microscope
and
आगे
rotational,
करिए.
movements while the skull is growing, and that will also gets prevented by the system.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
what you're saying. Sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now I want to show you how I'm holding this. Please see that.
Focus, please.
See, this is my thumb in the left hand.
Yeah.
This is one
Focus.
finger. Can
This
you
is
see that?
More zoom. No, it is, yes. Please reduce. Yes.
Yeah. See, this is my index finger, the
Yes.
middle finger. That is my index finger which comes here, and this is the thumb. So I'm holding it like a pen in the left hand for the right ear.
Yeah.
And this is the tip. The guard doesn't touch the posterior canal wall, and it is the tunnel which goes inside and like that. So I'll not keep the guard there.
And the burr is of 1.4
1.4 millimeter.
1.4.
Yeah. More central? Okay. Not used to of this microscope. See, this is the round window. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And that is the basal turn. That is the basal turn. That's the most prominent part of the promontory. So my cochleostomy would be here. बेटा पहले एक बार cochleostomy दे दो ताकि मैं मार्क कर दूं. एक बार मैं मार्क कर देता हूं और फिर एक मार्कर दे दीजिए तो मैं टनल कहाँ जाएगी वो बना दूंगा. Now, please see, that is the round window, that is the round window, that is the most prominent part of my promontory, and that is the round window niche area. I've seen it is quite a big niche, so that is the area where my cochleostomy would be. I have marked it. Okay?
Yes.
Now I will take the marker and tell you how my tunnel would be. Give me a marker, please. Now mark the tunnel area so that it
Focus, please.
focus हो गया करना वो दे दो परफोरेटर स्पीड कम कर दीजिए
Can you do the, one audience is asking, can you do the round window insertion by this technique?
Yeah, I can because see once I have created the tunnel a needle दे दो once I have created the tunnel not before the tunnel but after the tunnel has been created कोई भी tip दे दो needle दे दो हाँ once I have then I can drill as much of the tympanic plate as much so as to expose the round window completely. You understand?
Yeah.
Not before I have created the tunnel. Once I create the tunnel, then if you even remove this one, you will see a beautiful round window there and no problem. So then you can do a round window insertion also. Now keep one suction there, lot of water and the नहीं इतना नहीं बेटा थोड़ा बड़ा दे दो इतना नहीं थोड़ा तेज करना बेटा ड्रिल थोड़ा तेज थोड़ा कम बेटा you inside out let the water go in. Okay?
So we have these.
Tip दे दो.
Do you use any template or the false electrode to check the patency?
I am doing that. Can you see that?
Yes.
And it will go straight there where I have done a cochleostomy area. So I'll create a cochleostomy there and it will go straight. Elevator दे दो. Cochleostomy please. Implant ready. Compressed. Yeah. See now I'll tell you वो दे दो मैं ओवरहैंग कैसे आपको रिमूव करना है मैं वो भी आपको करके दिखा देता हूँ.
Focus please.
फोकस कर दो. ठीक है. ठीक है. See now if you drill this you can see the but drill it only after you have created the tunnel. Now see you see better, you can see even better. Just imagine how much you remove when you're doing a stay piece surgery. You don't even see the thing post-op. बंद है. Decadron. बस.
So in this case also you drill up to the pyramid and the stapedius tendon.
Everything is intact. I have not injured the stapedius tendon straight.
No, you don't visualize it.
Why do?
If we want to do the round window insertion by this technique, then in that case you expose that or not?
Yeah, I can drill this as much as possible. You can drill this completely till here.
Yeah.
No problem. Once you have created the tunnel. See, just the adequate cochleostomy. Please don't make a big cochleostomy. Please. The cochlea doesn't want it to, the internal structures don't want it, the thing to be exposed. ये देखिए. Now this is a CSF coming out.
Yes.
Implant please. फटाफट implant दे दो. I never expected pre-operatively, but don't problem. जल्दी दीजिए, I don't want that to go waste. Implant. जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. अच्छा वो बेटा वो रख लो, पेरियोस्टियम निकाल के वो दे दो.
So the direction of the electrodes will be anteroinferiorly.
Yes, anteroinferior from 11 to 10 o'clock position. 11 to 10 o'clock position. Next scissors. Sorry, clinically I was not expecting, otherwise I would have put the implant there on the bed and in the tunnel ready to put it there. इसको रख ले बेटा, बहुत important है. Now this is I'll show you the 3-hand technique now. हाँ दे दो. बेटा साक्षी इसको पकड़ो.
Do you
यहीं पकड़ो.
instill the steroids or the
Yes.
hyalase?
No, normally yes, but इसमें तो राजे वो है ना, lubricant आ रहा है CSF.
Yes.
इसमें ज़रूरत नहीं है, but वैसे yes. दीजिए.
So there is not much needed of the forceps or the thing.
No, I'll just direct it towards that,
Yes.
and that it keeps going
It is
inside
going
automatically.
inside directly.
Yeah,
And there are less chances of bending of the electrodes.
yeah. And now this is a compressed electrode, so 12 millimeters I have to put inside, and that's all. This
Yeah.
is all. The extra electrode will come in the suprametal crest.
So can you use contour by this?
I can, but I told you contour. फिर आप contour कह रहे हो, मैं इतना समझाया, क्या करते हो जी? अभी मैंने आपको सारा बताया contour. आपको इन्होंने contour बता दिया, आप मेरे से contour पूछते हो. मैंने आपको बताया contour क्यों नहीं. लो बेटा, इसको पकड़ो. सर contour ठीक नहीं है. इनसे पूछो अपने बच्चे में डलवाओगे, कहते नहीं. ये बेटा पकड़ो इसको. And give me 2 needles and that tissue. Thank you. हाँ एक नीडल और दीजिए. ये स्ट्रेट नहीं है राजे, स्ट्रेट नीडल चाहिए. स्ट्रेट नीडल प्लीज. स्ट्रेट पिक. ये बेटा इंजर कर देगा इलेक्ट्रोड को. Sorry, I should have realized that and kept this ready. Just because there was no cochlear aqueduct there, I thought ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Section निकाल दो. See, there is no leak now. And just imagine I had put when the gusher was still there, and there is no leak. That means I have put it properly.
Do you give the patients Diamox?
No,
in the
no,
postoperative period?
there is no need.
No need.
No need, because I'm sure the pressure is not less. Now you can see there is no gusher there. So this 3-hand technique would really be very good, and this is possible only if you have raised the flap. Through that posterior tympanotomy, this will not be possible. And you can cover the rest of it with this section. We can wait for some time to be sure that the gusher is not coming. You will have some coming from the crevices where it had gone. Just 2-3 minutes we'll wait before we close it. Now closing of varia is as important as opening. Please understand that. If you don't close it properly, it won't have the desired effect. Please keep the gel form ready. Yeah, okay. And now we bring back the flap. Gel foam, please. Just put it in the lateral part, not in the medial part. One more. One more. No. I wish you can show. बेटा यहाँ आ जाओ, ये बंद करना सिखाएंगे, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, दिखाएंगे. काट दे यार इसी से, अब क्या टाई दे दो बेटा. Please see, I'll just show you the first layer and then we can show you the second layer. The first layer is very important because you want the whole thing to be there, not moving, with the double-breasted closure we are doing. बेटा दिखा रहे हो?
Yes, we are seeing it. So the flaps are not in the tension and
yeah, these flaps are not under stress. Pakdo.
And the implant is completely covered.
Covered and forcibly down there. It will not never it will never move from there. Scissors.
Dislodgement of the implant will not be there.
Yeah. Now, once you give it here, then you give it anteriorly, because you might shorten the implant and then it will not go. So this is called the Hans flap, which covers the suprameatal well properly. When I say Hans, means this is not Dr. Triffon's, but everything is under his grace. He is my soul. This goes like that, and you can see that it will never come out. Can you see that?
Yes, yes.
See, the problem is, few of the varia surgeons are not doing this. Then it pops out and then it will cause problems. So, you know, then the father says, beta, do the way I am telling. It is not because he thinks he is the greatest, because he has had problems many times. Dr. Maheshwari, I hope you understand what I have said.
Yes, certainly.
बाप बहुत दुखों से निकलता है, फिर कहता है बच्चे ऐसे मत कर, मेरे भी पंगे हुए थे.
So the experience is very, very important.
हाँ जी. तो
and
ये
every complication gives you something or other learning.
We have learned the hard way and we don't want you to go the hard way. Just do what I am doing now, because coming this stage was, I am not putting this stitch because that is the ground electrode. Can you see that?
Yeah.
This is the ground electrode, so that stitch would be over the ground electrode. I am not bothered, let it be open. I'll close this one, so that this is reinforced.
So as in the nucleus, impedance and NRT is done in these cases?
Yeah, we are doing it now. We'll just, you know, in MEDAL you have to close the whole thing. In nucleus you may not close, you can do it before that. Here you will have to close completely, otherwise the NRT would not come. So I'll have to close the first layer so that it completely gets covered. Yeah. See, normally on the other side you can give this stitch also, because the electrode goes, the ground electrode goes other side. Here the ground electrode is here, so I can't put a stitch on that. And now this will go like this. Can you see that?
Yes, certainly.
And you will see how beautiful stitches are given so that you don't even see the, and we just pack the externality canal a little so that. Now we'll just show you the telemetry. Beta de do. लो मैं तब तक ये एक स्टिच लगा देते हैं. दे दो, यही दे दो. पकड़ ले.
In such incisions, you can put also the subcuticular.
We're putting subcuticular only outside because children won't let us remove them.
Yes, it's difficult for them to
So,
remove the
and we
post-op.
keep the dressing for 5 days. After 5 days, there is no need to put anything, but we still put it for another 5 days so that the child doesn't scratch or anything. ठीक है? ठीक कर दिया. Now one more stitch to bring the canals close, the canal wall close. This is another stitch, very important. This brings the...
Sir, there is a question from the audience.
Yeah, please.
Sir, are there any anatomical contraindication to this Varia technique, like if the cordofacial angle is very small?
Only one, if you don't want to learn it.
No,
There is only one contraindication. Like I don't do fess. I never wanted to learn it, so I don't do fess.
Okay, sir.
Okay? लव दे दो. मेरे को दे दो. इधर से मेरे को दे दो, मेरे को दे दो. ये खींच ले बेटा. छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो. या बेटा उसको दिखा दो.
Yes, it is visible.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
बेटा आर्टरी दियो साक्षी. I have Dr. Khushbu and Dr. Sakshi here, and they give very good stitches, much better than I do, subcuticular. Yeah, see how beautiful the
very good.
telemetry is, because we did not mishandle the electrode anywhere. It was smooth insertion, so you have everything there. We'll now see the NRT. Any questions if you have? Otherwise, I'm coming down and we can talk one-to-one.
Audience, any questions, please?
Dr. Hans, Dr. Vats.
Hanji, Doctor Sahab.
It's a very normal question, and you have tried to answer in the beginning also, and somebody also asked the same question. This technique is so simple, so less time taking, say about 45 minutes or less than 1 hour almost you can complete it. Unlike the other technique which takes about almost 2 hours or so.
Hanji.
Why this technique is not so popular vis-a-vis the conventional which is being done by most of the people. Around 90% of the people are doing with the posterior tympanotomy technique. Why, when this procedure is so simple, looks so nice and so easy, but still, why there is a resistance, or why people are not willing to do? There might be something or the other which why the people are.
See, I'll give you an answer. I had gone to one place. The professor and head saw, sir, मैंने आपका ना कल रात वीडियो देखा, मैं इसको कर लूँगा. तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं आपको नहीं कराऊंगा. आपने क्या टेम्पोरल बोन डिसेक्शंस करी? तो जब तक आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे राजे, आप सेप्टोप्लास्टी नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज अ डिफिकल्ट टेक्निक देन द पोस्टीरियर टिम्पैनोटमी, आई कैन टेल यू दैट. बट why I did this was that I don't want to destroy in a 6 months old child what nature has created. My concept was very clear. See, हर कोई ग्लोबल वार्मिंग पे बात कर रहा है, लेकिन आ रहे हैं ना बाढ़ सब कुछ आ रहे हैं. सारी दुनिया में कोई ठीक नहीं कर रहा. तू ठीक कर, तो कोई कर नहीं रहा. बट और पूरा नेचर तहस नहस हो रहा है, और हो रहा है. इसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम्स पता लगेंगे एक दिन जब जूनियर्स करेंगे. राजे, सीनियर्स, अब मैं तो इसको फ्लॉलेसली करूंगा, तो जूनियर्स को मेरे को सिखाना पड़ेगा हाथ पकड़ के. और जिन्होंने सीखा सही तरीके से, जिन्होंने जल्दी मचाई, अरे सर 1 मिनट में कर दूंगा, वो उन्होंने गड़बड़ कर दी. तो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, वी विल हैव टू डू टेम्पो. कैन आई टेल यू, टिल 98 आई वॉज डूइंग पोस्टीरियर टिम्पैनोटमी. 98 ऑल दोज मैं सीखा. इसको दोबारा से सीखा, ये नहीं कि मुझे मिडल ईयर सर्जरी आती है मैं स्टेपीज करता हूँ. इसको सीखा. दोनों हाथों से टनल बनाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. You have your right and the left hand stable. On the left side, you do your cochleostomy with the left hand, and on the right side with the right hand, and your tunnel with the vice versa. So दोनों हाथ आपके ठीक चलने चाहिए. मैंने देखा कुछ वेरिया के लोग राइट हैंड से ही राइट साइड की टनल बना रहे हैं. गलत है, नहीं बनेगी. आपको प्रॉपर समझना पड़ेगा, मुझे बुलाना पड़ेगा, या जो आप वेरिया करते हैं. बहुत हैं जो मेरे पढ़ाए हुए भी मेंटर्स बन गए. अब डॉक्टर वासंती, डॉक्टर रोहित, डॉक्टर संपूर्णा, डॉक्टर, देयर आर सो मेनी, not one, so many, Dr. Kapila in Ludhiana, there's so many now, I can keep naming them. They are doing a very good job, but just because they took time to understand, they took time. Cochlear implant is ये नहीं कि आपने posterior tympanotomy करी और छोड़ दी, उसके बाद भी बहुत कुछ है cochlear implant में. So आपको जब तक आप पूरा नहीं करोगे, तो आप जब तक सीखोगे नहीं properly. देखो ना, मैं डॉक्टर वत्स दूसरी चीज ही करना भूल गया, बिकॉज मुझे एक में ही इतना डेडिकेशन करना था कि दुनिया को प्रूव करना था कि ये ठीक सर्जरी है. मैं बाकी सर्जरीज आई वॉज अ कैंसर सर्जन व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़. आई वॉज अ राइनोप्लास्टी सर्जन लेटर, अ ट्रेकियल सर्जरी, मेरे नाम से एक हंस स्पीच वैल्व है, वो सब बंद कर दिया मैंने कि मैं इसी को मैं सिखाऊंगा और करूंगा. अब ये लगती छोटी है, लगती तो टिम्पेनोप्लास्टी जितनी है, बट है डिफिकल्ट. तो लोगों को सीखना पड़ेगा प्रॉपरली द वे. आई मीन देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर गोइंग टू centers learning the posterior tympanotomy also. They will have to say, no, this technique. The problem is nobody comes to see and learn. They have to learn it. अब तुम त्रुटियां, अगर तुमने डाइवोर्सेस ही देखे तो शादी नहीं कर पाओगे. कैसे करोगे? डाइवोर्सेस तो होते हैं
कि पहले सर्जरी होगी.
तो कहो जी मैं तो सिर्फ 10 डाइवोर्सेस देखे. अरे जो इतने सारे अच्छी फैमिलीज हैं, अच्छे प्यारे हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं, तो ये तो फिर तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा राजा. ये दुनिया को देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या करना है. ये मिनिमल इन्वेजिव है, नो फिजियोलॉजी डिस्टर्ब्ड, एंड you've seen how much time did I take? 40 minutes?
See, that's
40
what
minutes.
I'm saying. See, that's what it doesn't look, see, after all, any surgery, or any procedure, you need time. There's a learning curve.
There is a learning curve, Rajay.
I don't think, see, learning step-is surgery.
Oh yeah, very difficult.
Takes more time.
More time.
And that is more delicate.
Rajay, more dangerous.
See, that's what I'm saying. Then this, you know the anatomy. You know how to read the CT scan, MRI scan, especially the CT scan for making the tunnel.
Yes.
What you're taught, you just see 2, 3 times, 4 times, that's all. You
Bas.
don't need more than that.
नहीं, आपको-
Technically this doesn't look like any person who is doing intact canal wall mastectomy.
अरे,
the one who
exactly.
can, see, what I'm saying is,
Exactly.
the one who can straighten, who can thin down, thin down this, the posterior canal wall,
हाँ.
one can easily do this.
अजय,
After all, as
it is
long
less
as you
than
have
that.
This drill
हाँ.
and this thing.
ये तो अब अवेलेबल है डेसिबल के
in the
डेसिबल
direction,
हाँ जी
and after straightening and finding any